I don't even know. You're Tasia 1 Mac?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Mack, we've had issues with you and your drug patch now. I can't even tell you how many times, countless number of times. You were here not that long ago. Hold on. You were here. I told.
Right out of the gate, this is not just confusion, this is credibility on trial. In court, consistency is everything. If your story shifts even slightly, judges pick up on it instantly. And right now, Mr. Mack's timeline is already falling apart.
You last time you were here that I didn't care what it took for you to have a testable patch on when you went back to have it tested. I got an email from Johnny's Auto dated last Thursday, the 25th, where it says you came in without a testable patch on, you claim it fell off, they put a new one on you and they will update us. So you went in without a testable patch last week, is that right?
No, ma'am. I'm not even with Johnny's no more. I get my patch from Outreach.
This is where things get serious. The judge isn't guessing, she's verifying. In legal terms, this is about compliance with bond conditions. If he failed to maintain a testable drug patch, that could mean a violation, and possibly jail time. So the real question is, who's telling the truth?
They test you, Outreach tested you?
Yeah.
So you didn't go to Johnny's?
Oh,
When did you go to Outreach?
Call Al Reed and call Johnny's too. Why would they send us an email that says, do you have a patch on right now? When did you get it?
Thursday? Friday?
Okay, from where?
Outreach.
From his office?
Yes, ma'am.
Or he might, because Al probably uses Johnny's. Did you have a patch on when you went to see Al Reed last week?
That's yes.
Answer yes or no. Are you, tell me the truth, because we're going to get to the bottom of it right now. You had a testable patch on.
Smart move by the court. Instead of rushing to judgment, the judge pauses everything to investigate. That's a key part of due process. Get the facts first, act second. Make no mistake, if those reports come back negative from Mr. Mack, consequences are coming.
On last week.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you had a patch on. I don't know if it's testable or not.
I gave it to him to test, so yeah.
Did they take it off your arm
Yes, ma'am.
or you handed it to them?
No, they checked it. Like, I feel it, and she gets the little tweezers, and she take it right.
That happened last Thursday.
Yes, ma'am. I owe Johnny some money from my previous batch.
What?
I owe Johnny some money.
Okay, but that's not what they're saying, so I need to find out why they're saying.
And just like that, the tone shifts. From possible non-compliance to real-life hardship. This is something courts see every day, defendants balancing serious charges with personal struggles. But legally, hardship doesn't erase responsibility, it only influences how the court responds.
Specifically, with regard to you, that you went in without a patch on.
Did you check with probation?
Probation doesn't have anything to do
Well,
with
if you get drug testing in court.
I'm tired of doing that. That's what I've done every time we've been here. I'm not going to keep doing that. We're going to either have patches that work or he keeps on or not. I just got to see why they sent this email. right, we gotta get our jury seated, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let Anna work on figuring this out with talking to Johnny's and Al Reed. I'm going to have you guys back here, plan on being back this coming Monday. I'm gonna reset it to Monday. If it gets worked out and I don't need y'all here, we'll send you a new reset for a different day, but plan on being back in 1 week, and that way, if something happens, we'll figure it out. But we're gonna talk to Johnny's, we're gonna talk to Al Reed.
I could just wait, wait.
I gotta get a jury seated.
All right.
We're already at 2 o'clock, and I've had a jury waiting for an hour, so.
Johnny's, the bondsman said they've been putting it on him since August 25th. I
Okay.
talked to Johnny.
Call
What's the
Johnny's.
date on that?
That's all right. All right, y'all can go. We'll send you a reset. It was last week. I said 9:20. Good morning, you're Benita Graham? And Ms. Graham, did you get a lawyer hired?
No, ma'am. I did visit.
Notice a pattern here? The judge keeps emphasizing one thing, effort. In the legal system, you don't just say, I couldn't find a lawyer. You have to prove you tried. That's why she's demanding names, consultations, and follow-ups. That bond could be gone.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Kendall, Ms. Holmes, and Attorney Adams. And
Okay,
he did state, Attorney Adams did state if he was elected that he would represent me pro bono.
okay. So, well, what do you mean if he was elected? I don't.
Well, if you assigned him to my case.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't work like that.
Okay.
Okay, so are you working?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why aren't you working?
I'm retired and I only have one source of income, and that's Social Security for my husband's death.
Okay. All right,
And
so.
I do have cancer.
Okay, so what I'm going to do this morning, Ms. Graham, is have you fill out some paperwork. Thank you for doing what I asked you to do. To see if, I'm going to have you fill this paperwork out to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. Don't leave it all blank or put zeros. And then I'll take a look at it when you're finished. If you'll step over in front of the clerk, she'll give you that information.
Yeah, actually, about the monitoring situation, if I can be relieved from that.
Let's take care of this first,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
Good
Did you need
morning, Anna.
Okay.
Joan Kraus. Good morning. Are you Joan Kraus?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Kraus, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 0904. You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of driving while intoxicated, third or more, from July 16th of 2024. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, I got a court appointment.
Right, so when you're in custody, we automatically give you a court-appointed lawyer. Once, if you make bond, I expect you to at least try to hire your own lawyer. Are you working?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why aren't you working?
Retired.
Okay, and so you have a retirement income?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I'm going to do, Ms. Kraus, is reset your case to give you some time to try to hire a lawyer. Okay, you need to, if you get someone hired, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Okay.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would have to go back to jail. Do you understand?
I do, ma'am.
And are you, do you have the ignition interlock device on your vehicle?
No, ma'am, I don't have one.
You're not driving. I want to make sure you understand it's a condition of your bond. You cannot drive unless you have that on your, any vehicle. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Sarah Henderson. Good morning. You're Sarah Henderson?
Good morning, yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Henderson, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am. I got 3 people, but my income never changed. So I'm trying to see if I could maybe qualify to.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Langston Scott Adams, C.L. Swisher, and Keith French.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and what do you mean, your income